How to set dark mode on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set dark mode on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here on the top corner and then click settings, this one, and go down and click theme. And now all you need to do is just click this one, dark, and as you see now Google Chrome in dark mode, and it's easy. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.